Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I've just been unboxing my Mori Lolly Winter Sweetie, but the day before yesterday another box arrived and it's Prince Edwin. I ordered him from the French dealer, which is in Bonheur de Qualité. And so it took a little while longer to get here because well, they first have to be shipped from Hong Kong to them and then they have to ship it to us. So I think it depends on how long it takes at the French customs, because once it's shipped from France, it will be here in maybe 2 days or something, so really not that long. It's actually quite fast. So, and I ordered him there. I had saved up some discount from them because with each order you get some points, and then you can also get a discount when you do that. So. And also, the minute I decided I really wanted him, he was just sold out at the official website from Ruby Red. So I was really happy that I could still order him from the French dealer. So Prince Edwin is the sage skin, no, sage face sculpt, and his skin tone is Flora's. Now, I didn't buy Princess Zora, whom he should be her prince of. So he was designed by Martha Boers. And Martha Boers is actually a Dutch lady, at least she was born in the Netherlands. But she moved to Canada when she was still a child, so she's Canadian now, really, so probably Dutch Canadian. I'm not sure how you call that, but that's what I would say. Now, I really like Prince Edwin, so here is his card and his COA. He is number 77, and I think there were 100 made, maybe. I'm not sure, but yeah. So here is his outfit. Let me see, where did I leave my scissors? Oh, over there. Now, Martha has her own website, which is Antique Lilac, and she does beautiful doll photography, and she has been making doll costumes since, well, I think since, probably since childhood, so really pretty long. And her costumes are just fantastic. So these are his socks. And then we have his trousers, which are just elasticated trousers at the waist. Then we have his jacket, I guess you call it, which is with beading and adorned with trims at the collar and also at the seams of, and there are also some ruffles on the sleeves and at his neckline. So the coat closes with snaps. That's what I really like. And it's fully lined, as you can see. And then this is the tunic that goes over his jacket or coat, whatever you call it. Also really very pretty. I love the rich color. And then there's also a belt that goes over his tunic. And then we have his hat. Which has a feather, and a diamond, or no, not a diamond, but a ruby, I guess. So that's really also very pretty. And then we have his boots over here. I will have to cut this. So let me show you the detail of his boots. Maybe like this. Well, so that are his boots. Now you still can't see him as he's got this protective box around his head. So let's just get that off. His face was a little to the side, so and as you can see, his his wig was a bit to the, well, but it's not a problem really. So like this. Here is his wig band. Now he does come with boxer shorts. Now I do have a Sage face sculpt, and that is Angela, last year's anniversary doll. So I didn't go for any of the girls this year, but I did order the boy doll, so I'm really pleased with that one. For it, right? So let's put it in that bag again. I'm going to put everything in his box, everything that I don't need right now. So it will be a little easier to get him dressed. With less stuff on the table. Wig bands. Like this. So here he is. Let's put on that wig band first. Then it's out of my hands. I don't need it to hold it anymore then. Like this, I guess. So, well, let's start with his socks. His eyes are very dark blue, I think, or maybe greenish, but well, let me show you his face close up. Tell me what you think. I might be able to read it, but I think it's blue. So now let's put on his socks like this. And his trousers. with a bit of luck I can keep his trousers on his boxer shorts, the waist of his trousers, so he won't stain at the waist. I might actually make something to go underneath. I did that with another doll as well because I didn't want her to stain, so maybe I will. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. So let's put this here. Oh, wait. There's a little thread over here. I have my scissors at hand anyway, so. Not a big deal. Let's see. Like this. I really love this. I think it's brocade fabric. It's really very pretty. It's also a heavy fabric and not that easy to sew with. So it's really nice if Ruby Red makes it instead of me trying to do something like that. So let's put on his boots. I think they go inside. Yes, his trousers go inside his boots. Going by the picture. Let me open the so like this. It's a bit hard to get it over the trousers seam, so that's why I'm struggling a bit. I really don't want to ruin the zipper. So, let's see, maybe if I put it a bit more to the side it will be easier. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, that's better, definitely. So, and now for his tunic. No, he's still a bit stiff, and of course the fabric is also thick, so that doesn't help to make posing easier. Now one trick I heard from Rosemary on her YouTube channel is that if you put the dolls in a sitting position for about a week or something, then their strings will, or their elastic will get a little less tight, so it will be easier to pose them. So it's worth a try, I think, if you want your doll to be a little easier to pose. But keep in mind that with this fabric, it might still be a bit hard because it's a pretty heavyweight fabric. So it's not like that. Well, that doesn't help to pose easier. But it's really a beautiful fabric, so I'm really very pleased with that. So now I have to put on his belt. It's a very soft material, the belt. Not sure what to call it. I guess it's a faux leather. So let's see how to put this, probably like this. This is how it's in the picture, so I'm going to do it like that. Maybe I should make it a little tighter, because I didn't tie it really very tight, but it seems like it's a bit more cinched to waist, so let me see if I can actually pull it tighter. Yeah, like this, that's better, definitely. Yeah, that's much better. Now I just need to get this under and then back again. So it should be worn like this, I suppose. So that's how it is in the picture, so like this. So I really like that. Now let's put on his wig. It's a few different shades of brown, light brown, and a little darker, but not really dark, so probably would call it blonde actually. I think he had a bit of a side part. Let me see if I can put this on a little better, like that. Yes, and then here also a bit more like this. I think that's it. He's really cute, isn't he? Look at him. I love his look. Now his skin tone is a bit warmer than what my camera picks up, but I guess it's due to the lighting, as I did put on the normal lamp because it's really dark weather right now, and but I also have let me see, how was it put on, like this, I think. So but I also have my ring light on, so that washes out the color a bit. But yeah, he's actually really very cute. Let me see. I will also put him on the rotating disc so you can see him from all sides. And well, let me know what you think about him. I should probably make him a princess, but yeah, I didn't buy Princess Zora at the time. Maybe I can pick up her dress one day or another, and otherwise I can still make a dress if I really want to. So we'll see, but I really like him a lot. So let me know in the comments what you think of him, and thank you for watching. I will put a video of him on the rotating disc on the end of this video. Bye bye! Thank you.